The brave cloud. Once upon a time, in the vast blue sky, there was a little cloud named Cuddles. Unlike the big, fluffy clouds that could grow tall and strong, Cuddles was small and soft. She loved floating lazily across the sky, looking down at the world below. One sunny day, while drifting over a forest, Cuddles noticed that the trees looked thirsty. The leaves were wilting, and the flowers seemed sad. Oh no, Cuddles thought. The trees need rain to feel better. But Cuddles was just a tiny cloud. She wasn't sure if she could make a difference. She looked around and saw the big, powerful clouds far away. They were dark and full of rain. They can help, she thought. But I'm too small. Cuddles felt unsure, but then she remembered something her grandmother, a wise old cloud, had once told her. It's not how big you are that matters, it's how much heart you have. With that in mind, Cuddles puffed up her chest and decided to try. She wiggled and jiggled, concentrating hard, and soon, she began to sprinkle tiny raindrops onto the thirsty forest below. At first, the raindrops were so small, they barely made a sound. But soon they began to add up. The trees perked up, and the flowers opened their petals wide. The forest was alive again. Even the big clouds noticed Cuddles' brave effort and smiled. "Well done, little cloud," they said. "You may be small, but your heart is as big as the sky." From that day on, Cuddles was never afraid to help. She learned that even the smallest of clouds can make a big difference, especially when they have the courage to try. And so, the little cloud floated on, knowing that no matter how small she was, she had the power to bring happiness and hope to the world below.